Hello everyone, my name is Arya Chakurtarkar and I am a legal intern in Lexis & Company. I'm also a fourth year BLB student from GR Khare College of Law, Margao, Goa, under Goa University. So today I'm going to be talking on the topic of major cases or important cases under the section 125 of CRPC, which is maintenance for wife, children and parents. So the purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about what are the major judgments which are held under this section of 125 CRPC. So section 1 you have of Code of Criminal Procedures meant to achieve a special purpose. The object is to prevent vagrancy and destitution. It provides a speedy remedy for the supply of food, clothing and shelter to the deserted wife. The object of this provision is to compel a man to perform the moral obligation which he owes to society in respect of his wife, children and parents. Hansaben versus Ramesh Kumar Ratilal Patani, it was held in this case. In Chaturbhuj versus Sitabai, the court observed that the object of maintenance proceedings is not to punish a person for his past neglect, but to prevent vagrancy by compelling those who can provide support to those who are unable to support themselves and who have a moral claim to support. In Captain Ramesh Chandra Kaushal versus Veena Kaushal, the Supreme Court held that the Section 125 of CRPC falls within a constitutional sweep of Article 15(3) reinforced by Article 39 of the Constitution of India. It is meant to achieve a special purpose. The object is to prevent vagrancy and destitution. It provides a speedy remedy for the supply of food, clothing and shelter to the deserted wife. It gives effect to fundamental rights and natural duties of a man to maintain his wife, children and parents when they are unable to maintain themselves. An application for maintenance dismissed for default can be restored by the magistrate by invoking inherent powers. In a proceeding under Section 125 CRPC, the finding that the husband had contracted marriage with another woman based on evidence is finding of fact and cannot be interfered in revision. The proceedings under Section 125 CRPC are quasi-civil in nature, therefore rules of pleadings as applied to the civil proceedings are not to be totally disregarded. In an application for maintenance by mother against adopted son, when the son has not taken plea of illegality of adoption, he cannot raise the plea in revision. The maintenance between a Christian and a Hindu cannot be said to be invalid for the purpose of claiming maintenance under Section 125 CRPC, where the husband is able to prove that he has no means to pay. The excess of powers under Section 125 CRPC will be unwarranted. If a man and woman are living for 20 years and husband and wife, the relatives also treat them as such for proceeding under Section 125 CRPC, presumption arises that the woman is legally married wife. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe to my channel LexClick, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notification when I post a video. Also, please give me feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video or any previous videos, please post it in the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as possible. And lastly, this video doesn't solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of making this video is to spread awareness, is for education purposes only. Thank you.